How to manage personal priority on VK on Android or iOS phone. First open VK and then click on your profile here, then click these 3 points in the top corner, and once you're here click edit profile and then scroll down until you find beliefs, and then just scroll down and click this one, personal priority, and here you can manage it. Just select any personal priority you want, like this one, family and children, and then just save it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.